I am standing in front of 106 Wampum Drive. It's newly listed right in the heart of Duck. These do not come available often. Let's go check it out. Here we are outside. This is a 4-bed, 2 full bath home. I just pointed, there's sound access down into the town of Duck, and then the ocean is on the other side of the street. This is outside. There's plenty of entertaining space down here. A hammock. This storage room was locked. Hanging chair. Now there already is a hot tub, an outdoor shower, and a pool. This home has it all already. Here we are going inside. The lower level here has the washer dryer. And then you come up the stairs. There's 2 bedrooms, great sizes, with a Jack and Jill bathroom. All of the furniture and most of the artwork does convey in this home. Now at the end of Wampum, you have the Wee Winks, the ABC store. There's so much going on right there in the town of Duck. I mean, what more do you need besides a market and an ABC store on vacation? Here we are. This is the main level. Living room, kitchen, high vaulted ceilings, a lot of character. I wanted to give you the view of when you're coming in the front door. You go up the stairs here. There's 2 additional bedrooms with a full bath. That makes up for the 4 bedrooms, 2 full baths. And then this bedroom has a door out to the deck. There's a lot of deck space, a lot of outdoor entertaining area. This chalkboard wall was great. My kids would have loved that. Probably would have messed it up like it is. And then the upstairs loft area, kind of flex space, a lot of options for this. And it has an ocean view. It's kind of cloudy out right now, but the view is there. I'm going to take you back down to look at the screened-in porch. If you are interested in seeing this house, don't hesitate to reach out if you have questions. I'd love to help.